Hi everyone, I'm Lena Jácome. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had an inquiry regarding how I practice flamenco dancing, just various marking steps and choreographical ideas. And so what I rely on, which I think is very powerful, very exacting, very precise, is I work with a metronome. And so the metronome that I have is one that I'm going to turn it on real quick. So this is in the 4/4 rhythm, so you can hear the accent on the one, and it goes every four. And then of course the tempo changes. I can make it faster or slower. And so I start slower and then I slowly move up to a faster tempo. So I am an Amazon affiliate, and this is actually on my Amazon picks. So you can check out this metronome in the link below. It'll take you to my website if you're interested in using this. You can also use the Google metronome, which is free. You just type in Google metronome and it'll come up. Or you can find like a solo compas on YouTube, and it'll just play the tempo. You just type in solo compas, tangos, or bulerías, and it'll come up for you, and you can hopefully find a tempo that works for you. I set according to my own capabilities. That's what I like about this, my own metronome, is that I can make it faster or slower depending on what I'm working on, the difficulty level, or just trying to be as clean as possible. Or maybe it's footwork and I'm trying to add in the upper body and it's complicated, so I slow it down so I can really get that movement. And so that's what I love about having my own metronome. But of course, do what works for you. And I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. So I appreciate the inquiry, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks so much. Bye.